To be successful at your job, you must understand your workplace. Business English helps you talk with your team, your manager, and your customers. Speaking clearly and politely are essential skills for professional life. Learning the language of your office will make your day easier and help you to cooperate with your colleagues. Most people arrive at the office early. When you enter, you should greet everyone. You might say, "Good morning, how are you?" Friendly people often ask about your weekend. For example, they might say, "Hi Sarah, did you have a good weekend?" Then you go to your desk and turn on your computer. First, check your emails and notifications. This helps you know if you have important messages from clients or your boss. Clients are customers who buy your company's product or service. It is helpful to write a to-do list for the day. A to-do list is a schedule of the work you need to do before you leave. Completing tasks on time is very important. Every project has a deadline. A deadline is the date when a piece of work must be finished. In the afternoon, you may have meetings. A meeting is when a group of people talk about a project or new ideas. One person might use a screen to give a presentation to the team. A presentation often has charts, pictures, and other useful information. It is also common for people to make phone calls, send quick messages, or give reports. During a meeting, it is important to understand the business goals. Goals are the things the company wants to achieve. If you need help with a problem, do not be afraid to ask a colleague for assistance. Offices are usually organized into different areas. Most of the building is large, shared workspace for employees to do their daily tasks. However, there are also common areas. For example, the break room is a place where workers can eat, relax, and chat. It often has a coffee machine and a microwave. Drinking a coffee with a colleague in the break room is an excellent way to have a conversation and to get to know them. Do you work in an office? Do you like it? Tell me in the comments below.